All right, so for step one, I'm going to show you exactly what I personally do when it comes to finding the best affiliate offers to promote. And we're going to be using PartnerStack in today's example. And if you've never heard of PartnerStack before, it's an affiliate marketing network with various different offers available for me and you to promote, specifically targeted towards business owners. And this is one of the best categories to go down because business owners have money to spend and they also have needs. So if you're able to find the best software for business owners and promote it to them, you're going to be able to make money over the foreseeable future. But for you to be able to do that, you need to know exactly what to look out for. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So you need to sign up, and the way that you sign up is by clicking on login right there. Once you've done that, you need to enter your email. And then once you go through that entire sign up process, this is the page that you're going to see. Now from this point, you're now going to look for the best offer to promote. Now for me personally, the main thing that I like to look out for is the percentage that I'm going to get paid. And I also like to look at the price that it's actually going to cost the person that's going to sign up for that software. But most importantly, I like to make sure that whatever commission I'm going to be paid, it's going to be paid to me on a repeat basis. And the way that you're going to be able to find that out is by looking at the information in this bold text right here. So as you can see with this offer right here, you're only going to be able to make 50% commission on the first month of each monthly subscription, which means that if you get someone to sign up, you're only going to get paid for that first month, but then after that, you're not going to get paid anymore. And this one down here, you're going to be able to earn 30% commission only for the first year. So if the person that signs up using your link stays on for at least 10 years, you're only going to make 1 year's worth of commission. Now, of course, this all depends on what you want. In my opinion, if you're able to make 10 years worth of commission, that's obviously better than 1 year. So these are the small details that you need to look out for. So if you want to use a quick and easy method of finding an affiliate program that's also going to pay you recurring monthly or yearly payments, what you need to do is use the find tool. So if you're using a Mac, what you're going to do is click on Command and F. And as you can see, there's 9 available offers that have recurring payments. All right, so this company, I've never heard of it, is called TapClicks. And you're going to be able to earn 20% of a plan's value on a monthly recurring basis for the lifetime of a customer. So this is exactly what we want. But first things first, we need to go over to Google and see if people are actually searching for this software. And as we can see on Google Trends, there's not really that many people that are going onto Google to search for this software called TapClicks. So since 2004, there was all of this search data right here in 2017. But ever since then, it's not really that much. So this might not be worth our efforts when it comes to driving clicks using Google Ads over to this software. So we're going to go back and look for a different one. All right, so there's this company right here and they're called Spocket. And as I can see, they're one of the largest online dropshipping marketplaces that connects 60,000 retailers with various different things. And right now, dropshipping is obviously a trending topic. So this might be a really good software for us to promote. And right here, we can see that we're going to be able to earn 25% recurring commissions on all paid subscriptions forever, which again is really perfect. And taking a quick look at Google Trends, I've typed in the name of that company, Spocket, right there. And since 2013, there's been more people that have been going onto Google year after year searching for this particular software. So this is a perfect indication right here that we might want to do a little bit more research into it and potentially start using Google Ads to drive traffic to this specific affiliate link. But first things first, what we need to do is actually sign up for it so we can actually get access to our affiliate link and our dashboard so that we're going to be able to monitor how many clicks and how many conversions we're getting. And as you guys can see right there, is telling us that for us to even be able to start promoting this particular software, we need to join a different program and then start earning money from that first. And I'm not sure why that is. So I'm going to show you guys a quick workaround that you can use for you to get access to your affiliate link. So what you want to do is go back over to Google, type in Spocket affiliate program. Then what you're going to do is scroll down, and as you can see, it says right there, make money with affiliate marketing, Spocket, dropshipping. You're just going to click on that. And if we just scroll down over here, it's going to give us some useful information. For example, how much we can earn in terms of the commissions. It's also going to tell us how we're going to get our payouts. As you can see, it's going to be through PayPal or Stripe, and a lot of other useful information that you might want to read through. But what you first need to do is click on Start Earning Now. And then what you're going to do is click on Join Now. And then it should say that you have now joined. And then all you need to do is click on Dashboard. And then what you now need to do is read through the agreement, make sure that you've gone through the terms of service so that you know what you can do, what you can't do in terms of if they say that you're even allowed to use Google Ads or not. That's what you need to go through with any affiliate program that you're going to promote. Once you've read through it and you're happy with it, you're going to click on this and then click on confirm. And that's basically the whole process. And then from this point, you're now going to have access to your affiliate link. Now from this point, once you have signed up successfully, you've got access to your affiliate link. What you now want to do is go over to ads.google.com. You're going to sign up for an ad account. So as you guys know, I've already got my ad account already. So I'm going to quickly show you what to do when it comes to setting up a campaign. So once you've logged into your account, you're going to see this section right here where it says new campaign. And then what you're going to do is go over to website traffic. Then you're going to use a search campaign. And in this section right here, what you want to do is paste the affiliate link. So let me just go back over to Spocket and then click on copy. Go back over here, paste it right in there. Now I do have to let you guys know that when it comes to using Google Ads to promote various different affiliate offers, in some cases you can use the direct affiliate link. This is something that I've done many times with various different affiliate offers, but in some cases you may want to use a landing page in between. So instead of using a direct affiliate link, you're going to use your own custom landing page when it comes to sending traffic over to that page instead of sending them directly to the affiliate link. And I've got another video coming out real soon that's going to show you step by step what you need to know and what you need to do when it comes to setting up a website or a quick landing page. But in today's video, all I want to quickly do is show you how to set up your first Google ad campaign. So once you've pasted in your landing page or your affiliate link right there, you're going to create the campaign name. So whatever you want to do, I'm going to leave it as that. Then I'm going to click on continue. And then when it comes to the bidding strategy, all you want to do is click on clicks. Most of the time when I use Google Ads, I remove the display network. So I just unclick that because this tends to eat up a lot of the budget and it's unnecessary. So I normally leave it to the search network. And when it comes to the location settings, the mistake that most people make is that they select all countries and territories, when realistically you need to try and select the places that are more likely going to spend money on whatever software that you're going to be promoting. So I mainly like to do United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, those main places. So I would just select United Kingdom for now. And for the keywords in the ad section, this is where you now need to enter the keywords that you believe someone is going to type into Google that's going to allow your ad to show up. And this is very important to know because you want to make sure that you're using targeted keywords that you believe is going to lead to some sort of conversion. Otherwise, you're going to end up wasting money on your Google Ads budget. But as you can see, Google has already automatically inserted all of these different keywords that they think someone is going to type in based on the link that I've put in. But it's your job to make sure that you go through all of these keywords and remove anyone that doesn't relate to your product or your service that you're going to promote. Otherwise, as I said, you're going to end up losing money. And scrolling down over here to the ad section, this is where you're actually going to create the ad that the customer is going to see on Google. So as you can see, there's a preview right here. So what you want to do is make sure that the final URL is correct and it's the correct affiliate link. Then what you want to do is enter in a headline for this one as well as this one. And the best way to figure out which headline that you should use is to go back over to Google, type in the name of the company, and then just search for that. So for the headline, what I tend to do is just copy this section right here, go back over to Google and then paste it in there just like that. If it's too long, what I do is take the end bit off as well. And by the way, guys, I'm just quickly going through this. I'm going to be making a full Google ad breakdown of everything else you need to know, but from this video you should have a basic understanding of exactly how you need to approach your Google ads when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing. But once you've done all the headlines, what you now need to do is click on next. And then for your daily budget, what you're going to do is put a low amount. So for me personally, what I like to do is put around maybe £5, maybe £2.50. You know, depends on what I'm promoting. But the reason why I like to start off low is because I like to gradually increase the budget bit by bit, maybe every 4 days or so. But again, it all depends on what you want to do. You can start off with around £10, $10, £20, $20. But for now, I'm just going to put £5 and then click on next. And then from this point, all you need to do is review your campaign, make sure that you're completely happy with it, make sure that everything is correct. And then you need to wait maybe 24 hours or so, maybe in some cases, 2 days, 3 days for your campaign to go live. And then it's just a case of sitting back, waiting for people to sign up, seeing exactly what type of actions they take, seeing if they give you their email, if they don't. But it all depends on your landing page. It all depends on what you're promoting. But in this video, all I wanted to do is give you guys a beginner understanding of what you need to know when it comes to making money online with affiliate marketing in terms of finding the best product to promote, in terms of making sure that people are searching for that product on Google, as well as making sure that you're going to get some sort of recurring revenue when it comes to people signing up through your link. I've got many more videos coming out real soon that's going to educate you on so many other factors and elements when it comes to building affiliate marketing businesses. So make sure if you like this video, you press the like button, you subscribe down below, hit the bell notification. And if you want to watch another affiliate marketing video that I made not too long ago, where I broke down even more things that's going to help you make money with affiliate marketing, then click the link right there. Make sure you check that video out straight after this one, because it's already helped out so many people. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.